Are you looking for a smartwatch that keeps up with your active lifestyle? Want to track your workouts, monitor your heart rate, and even get personalized insights on your fitness journey? In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, from its features to its real-world performance. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Galaxy Watch 4, a wireless charger, and a quick start guide. Charge your watch. To charge your Watch 4, just bring the charging cable close to the back of the watch and it'll snap into place magnetically. Just make sure the watch is placed directly on the dock. Then, plug it into a USB port or a UL-certified charger. A 30 to 40-minute charge gives you up to 24 hours of battery life. For a full charge, it'll take about 1.5 per 2 hours. Set up with app. Search for Galaxy Wearable in your mobile app store or Google Play Store and download the app. From the smartphone, tap Galaxy Wearable. If necessary, update the app to the latest version. Tap Start and select your device. When the Bluetooth pairing request window is displayed, confirm the passkeys displayed on your watch and smartphone match, and then tap Confirm. Follow the prompts to complete the connection. Basic operations. Wrap the watch firmly around your lower arm just above your wrist, as shown below. Do not fasten the watch too tightly. Supports full-screen touch operations. Watch 4 has 2 physical buttons, home key and back key. Navigate Watch 4. You can select between different faces from the face settings, and you can customize the watch face according to your choice. Lightly tap the screen to launch an app or select a menu item. Swipe. Lightly drag your finger vertically or horizontally across the screen to view panels. Drag, touch and hold an item, and then move it to a new location. The Galaxy Watch 4. Classic features a physical bezel that you can rotate with your fingers. The Galaxy Watch 4 has a digital bezel. Lightly press and drag your finger clockwise or counterclockwise using the digital bezel on the edge of the screen to move through a list. Quick Panel. Instead of navigating through the Settings menu, you can access commonly used settings through the Quick Panel, where you can also view the status bar. Swipe down from the top of the watch screen to open the Quick Panel. Tap a quick setting to open it. Touch and hold a quick setting to edit the placement, remove a setting, or add a new setting. Status bar. Indicator icons display at the top of the screen in the status bar. Swipe down from the top of the watch screen to view the status bar. Indicator icons. Battery full. Bluetooth connected. Bluetooth enabled but not connected. Wi-Fi connected. Airplane mode. LTE network connected. LTE model only. Signal strength LTE model only. Tiles. Tiles are shortcuts to apps and features that you can add as a screen on your watch. From the watch face, swipe left to view tiles. To add tiles, swipe to the end of the tiles screens and tap Add Tiles. To move tiles, touch and hold a tile, and then drag it to the desired location. To delete tiles, touch and hold a tile, and then tap Remove. Manage tiles from your phone. From Wear Galaxy Wearable, tap Tiles. Drag to reorder tiles. Tap Add to add the tile. Tap Remove to delete tiles. Notifications. Stay up to date with events, notifications, and messages from your smartphone. When you receive a notification, information about the notification, such as its type, is displayed on the screen while the watch is vibrating. From the watch screen, swipe right and tap a notification to view details. Galaxy Watch 4 apps. Alarm. Set an alarm to ring at a specific time. Bixby. Bixby is a voice service that helps you use your watch more conveniently. Calculator. The Calculator app features basic math functions. Calendar. View events scheduled on the smartphone. Compass. View and use your watch as a compass. Contacts. View your smartphone's contact list on your watch. Find My Phone. If you misplace your smartphone, your watch can help you find it. Reminder. Add reminders for events and set alarms outside of the Calendar app. Samsung Pay. Pay almost anywhere that accepts a debit, credit, or gift card. Make a payment. Stopwatch. The stopwatch lets you time events down to 1/100th of a second. Timer. Set a countdown timer for up to 59 hours, 59 minutes, and 59 seconds. Voice recorder. Use your voice to record memos. Weather. View weather information on the watch for locations set on the smartphone. World clock. Keep track of the current time in multiple cities around the globe. Buds controller. Control your earbuds with your watch. Connect your earbuds directly to your watch or to the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. Camera controller. You can use the camera controller to take pictures using the camera on your phone with your watch. Gallery. View and manage images. Media controller. You can use the media controller to connect to a computer, phone, or tablet using Bluetooth and control media with your watch. Messages. View messages and reply to or call the sender using the watch. Phone. Make and answer calls on your phone from your watch. Watch 4 modes. Bedtime mode. Bedtime mode mutes all alerts except for alarms and notifications. This keeps the screen off and mutes most sounds while you sleep. Do not disturb. Use these options to determine blockout time where notifications are turned off and during which time periods you want to enter this mode. Theater mode. Theater mode keeps the screen turned off and silences all sounds. Waterlock mode. You can use waterlock mode to exercise in the water while wearing your watch. While in waterlock mode, touch screen, wake-up gestures, and watch always on will be disabled. Exit waterlock mode. Key features. Crush workouts and all your health goals with Galaxy Watch 4. Be your best with the watch that knows you best. Flex your Galaxy Watch style. Match your mood and your outfit with bands ranging from green, silver, pink, and black. Total wellness management on your wrist. Get ready to crush your wellness goals with body readings right on your wrist. Be smart about your heart with ECG monitoring that gives accurate readings. Make every workout count. Make the most of every workout with auto workout tracking. Stay motivated by connecting to live coaching sessions via your smartphone or to dynamic group challenges with your friends. Freedom to keep crushing your day. Stay in stride while staying connected to calls, text, and music on the go. With Galaxy Watch 4, fashion meets function. Look great while crushing every part of your day with the sleek, lightweight, and customizable design. Tap into the power and convenience of select Google services and apps right on your wrist. Pay for coffee. Get directions to the park. Use Bixby for help on almost any topic. Stream your favorite tunes on YouTube Music. The power of Google is right on your wrist, and it goes further when you work out together. Specifications. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Galaxy Watch 4. See you in the next one.